Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Penobscot County and east central Maine. This includes the cities of Old Town, Bangor, northern Hancock County and southeast Maine, west central Washington County and southeast Maine, until 10:30 p.m. at night, 29 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Kenduskeg, or 10 miles northwest of Bangor, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Brewer, Vesey, Orono, and Etowah.
Hazardous weather is forecast for parts of the transmitters listening.